If you think the world's getting weirder, you're absolutely right. Let's talk about it.
Send it!
Seattle Kraken mascot Bowie and a teammate were fly fishing in a river, and a grizzly bear starts chasing them from the other side. It's absolutely insane. You see this
I haven't
big
seen
mascot.
the video.
What?
But I heard about it. There's just like a big mascot inside the river, and then a grizzly bear starts chasing at it.
Is that insane?
Yeah, it did just
close.
start. It
Too
started
close
like
for
chasing
comfort.
after it, and the guy was just like, he was like, looked like he was in quicksand.
Yeah, good thing that bear didn't have some
This big
cocaine,
old
right?
mascot head on. And like, let's talk about the mascot. What is it?
crap.
A troll
He just
with
is like-
blue hair?
Yeah.
Speaking
Like-
of, did you guys see that this made pretty rampant in social media that it was a baseball player. The eagle didn't go back to its whatever the heck the
hand, yes.
The hand.
What happened to you today? Well, an American Eagle landed on my shoulder, and I was getting ready to pitch a game. Whoa, that's scary, though. And James handled it a lot better than I would have. And I think, Mike, you would say the same thing.
Absolutely. I would have been on the ground.
I'd have found a gear I didn't know I had getting away from that sucker. Let me tell you.
Yeah. Woo,
Yes.
That was a close call from bears in the wild to pressure at home. Market Watch came out with a story, and they said more people are late on both their mortgage and student loan payments. Another bad sign for the economy. Let's chop this up, and then let's back it with some actual data. What do we think?
I've actually seen a lot of foreclosure. I put my list on through MLS for foreclosures just to see as they come in, and over the past few years it's been just
None.
trickle in here,
Modest.
and very small. But I've been seeing a lot more lately.
I've noticed
Like,
that exact same thing.
I get because I get an email notifications like, here's a new foreclosure, pre-foreclosure, foreclosure, more auction ones. So they are ticking up. Obviously not how they were when we did REO, but they're definitely ticking up.
It's ticking up. So a few more. What we know, though, is by and large, the amount of foreclosures is still historically low, below pre-pandemic levels. Here's a chart from Housing Wire showing the foreclosures, and you can see, oh my goodness, like, look, right? Like, see
Yeah,
the
they're
chart,
still-
see them, like, they're really low.
Look how low it got right in that little
Just
Yeah.
there.
just
Well,
a little
that's when
bit.
they
That's
stopped.
COVID.
Yeah.
Right? That was
Yeah,
foreclosure.
you could not foreclose.
Moratorium. Right.
Yep.
And then as far as the student loans, I think you got to take that with a grain of salt as well, because they just started reporting delinquencies again to credit bureaus.
Yeah.
So I feel like the article is a bit doom and gloom, maybe shock and awe.
Yeah.
Shocking. But some of the interest rates that some of these kids are getting, they're pretty high. They're
Oh, yeah.
like
I
11,
know.
12, 13%. I'm like, wow, I thought
For a student loan?
loans were lower, but
Yeah.
apparently they can get bigger. I don't know.
They're in the
There's
money.
a
They
more
went to the
private-
hard. They went to the hard money student loan guy.
Yeah, hard money student loan. Yeah, I thought they were like 4%,
Does he
like
exist?
government
Yeah.
subsidized, but man,
Not anymore.
wow.
This isn't
Yep.
your grandma's student loan.
Yes.
This isn't your aunt's student loan.
Yikes.
It's actually not funny, right?
No.
You know,
I mean,
think
it's
that
not funny,
The
but-
terrible thing is to think you go to college and you think you're investing in your future and you rack up these loans, believing that you're going to get a great job and pay them off, and then you don't. And
Well, most of them believe the lie. It's not. I mean, it's not a lie. And there are definitely professions where you need to go to college and they paid off great. But man, there's a lot of kids that just went to school for really nothing,
Oh, the party.
and they have a big
Drink,
giant
right?
bill.
to drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
You
true.
think they go to college to drink.
No, they go
Yeah.
to college to party.
I mean, you could,
And don't get me wrong. I mean, I think that there's a lot of adolescence and becoming an adult and independence and all those things that they go through. But I mean, how many? It's been proven. Like unless, like Jay was saying, unless you're going for a specialized industry, it again, not that I'm saying it's not important to go get a lot of the skills that you get in college, but unless you're like, for example, an engineer, a doctor, scientist, right? Something that is a specialized education arena.
yeah. But even that, I mean, geez, I was watching some doctor on a YouTube short talking about how he's scared of AI. I mean, AI, like people are doing these, they're going to ChatGPT and basically finding
Getting
out
the
what the heck's
answer.
going on with their body.
I've heard,
And they're
I've heard-
getting really good information.
Yeah, I've heard
Like,
stories where it's actually diagnosing the
Yeah.
actual root cause of their
Yeah.
symptoms rather than just going to a doctor and having it not be discovered.
yeah, he's basically saying like, hey, there's gonna be a lot of doctors that are out of business, because they're they
When
don't-
you really think about it, like the collective of AI, right? Basically, almost all human information collected together, right? Like as a resource. And granted, they have knowledge bases and those types of things, but as they're now starting to take that information and make decisions on their own, is actually
Yeah, and
very
then
wild.
you find out what's going on with your body, and then you go to a specialist. Someone like exactly who can help you.
So I wonder how many conversations in the doctor's office start off with, I went on to ChatGPT and here's what it said.
Here's what it said.
Here's what Grok said.
Yeah, that sounds right. That's what you have. All right.
Do you think that's happening? Comment below. Let us know. Speaking of headlines that do more to terrify than clarify, here's another one that really got us. So Denmark, a Danish zoo, wants you to give them your small pets to feed their predators.
What?
Yeah.
That's real news?
That is a real headline.
That is disgusting.
Isn't that insane? They're asking people to donate their small pets as food for their captive predators.
I mean, that's mean.
It's mean, and it sounds worse than it is. So then when you read the article, what they're really saying is if you have any guinea pigs, rabbits, or chickens that you would like to donate, we'll euthanize them humanely. And then after
so they don't just throw the pet in the cage and let something kill it? Like, that's so mean. Wow.
Hey, that's what
and
the
a
predators
chicken?
want. They
Who
want the
has a
fresh
pet
blood.
chicken? Like that's a clickbait. It's
totally clickbait.
Yeah,
It just speaks to all the articles are twisted and turned in a way that gets you to go like, what? And then you click.
Yeah, well, what's that statistic that our attention span's less than a goldfish, right? Like because in this clickbait society that it's all about shock and awe on the hook, right?
Yeah.
You got to stop the scroll, and that's how they do it.
Sorry, Johnny. The zoo needed your guinea pig. Sorry.
Well, it creates the curiosity gap, and you have to watch. You have to solve it. Like, I mean, have you ever sat there and started watching a video about like how many rubber bands to put on a watermelon before it bursts, and you just sit there and you have to watch it to completion. You have to satisfy that curiosity gap, and great content does get you to do that.
It does.
That ruins
Sure
it.
does.
Just kind of like
How many rubber bands?
steals your time.
That's like a Mr. Beast.
Depends
thing,
on
right?
the
It's
watermelon.
it's a lot of rubber
I mean,
bands.
Mr. Beast is amazing. I mean, some of the videos. I mean, you have to watch it. It's just like he
so
gets you.
good.
He gets you.
It gets you. Yeah.
He's so good.
Your curiosity.
Yeah.
And like you, Jason especially. Elliot, I mean, I don't know Elliot as well as I know Jason, but Jason, you are the most curious person.
I'm very curious. Yes.
Like if I want to like get you suspicious, I can like get a piece of paper and like act like I'm hiding it.
Oh,
and be like,
yes.
what's that? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you?
Very curious.
What's going on there?
Well, what do you think? If you have anything, please add it to the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and thanks for tuning in.